Wonder Woman.
You are Wonder Woman. Thank you.
I'm Ashini. My registration number is 75, and I'm Jessie Quick. I'm the fastest girl in the whole wide world.
All right, thank you.
My name is Ayush Chaturvedi. My registration number is 33, and I'm cosplaying. Let me tell you who I am. My name is Barry Allen. I'm the fastest man alive. To the outside world, I'm an ordinary forensic scientist. But secretly, I use my speed to fight crimes and find others like me. And one day, I'll find who killed my mother and get justice for my father. I am the Flash.
All right, quick pause for the camera. Okay, you know the drill. Your name, your registration number, and your character, of course.
My name is Deboshi, and my registration number is 15, and I'm Ichigo Kurosaki. I am Priyansh, and my registration number is 14. I am Trafalgar D. Waterlaw.
Hello, my name is Himani. My registration number is 28, and I am cosplaying as Minion.
Very nice. Quick pause for the camera. Okay, you know the drill, my man. Your name, your registration number, and your character.
I am Ayush, and my registration number is 17, and I am cosplaying in the comic book category, and I am the heir of the Egyptian moon god Khonshu, the Moon Knight, born with a sigh of revenge.
Okay, very cool. Thank you.
My name is Keshav. My registration number is 12. And last breath, last light, last bullet. I'm Artyom from Metro 2033.
Wrong number. Wrong number. Wrong number. हमारा नाम एडम है और रजिस्ट्रेशन नंबर 76 है. जहाँ से मैं आया बहुत दूर है. मैं एस्ट्रोनॉट और हमारी गोली पे हम झूठ नहीं बोलते. क्या आपने देखा हमारे प्रॉपर्टी? आपकी प्रॉपर्टी? हाँ. क्या है आपकी प्रॉपर्टी? हमारे प्रॉपर्टी एक छोटी सी रिमोट.
नहीं, हमने आपकी प्रॉपर्टी नहीं देखी.
अरे मैं कब अपना घर जाऊंगा?
Quick pause for the camera.
Fuck what you heard. It's what you hearing. That's what you hearing. Listen, it's what you hearing. Listen, that's not your good heart. I'm like a motherfucker one day every day. Damn right, I'm not doing it again. Damn right, so I got some way. Slow, give it to ya. 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 Slow, give it to ya.
My name is Vipin, and this is my first time to be a cosplayer. So, my favorite character is Joker in Suicide Squad. My registration number is 64, and I'm not gonna kill you. I'm just gonna hurt you really, really bad.
Behave yourself. I am the Batman, and I'm looking for a set of individuals, people with special abilities. See, I believe that enemies are coming from far away, and only they can stop me, along with my Robin. I'm looking for the Justice League.
Can you help me? By the way, my name is Aditya and my tag is 48 and I'm from Mumbai, and let me just say that Delhi Comic Con has been really fun, better than Mumbai Comic Con for me. So thank you so much, thank you guys for all the love. Yeah.
Hi, my name is Aryan and I'm from Greater Noida, and this is my first time cosplaying, so I'm really nervous. And you know, I'm gonna just kill the Joker.
I already killed the Joker. Do you want me to kill the second one?
All right, two people cosplaying for the first time. Delhi, come on, be a little warm. And quick pause for the camera. On to our... Hello, are you? Your name, your registration number, and your character.
Yo, what's up guys? Why so serious? Myself K2K and I'm cosplaying Joker. And my registration number is 31. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Panja. My registration number is 59 and I'm Rorschach. Because nothing is grey, everything is black and white. And to you two judges, I have just one thing to say. Do it! Do it! Thank you.
I am Chitrangada, playing cosplay for the first time. So I am the Wicked Witch of the West from Wizard of Oz, and
Thank you. Quick pause for the camera.
2, 4, 6, 8. I hate them.
Go! On to our next contestant.
Hi, my name is Sushant. I'm from Disha Garden and my cosplayer number is 19. My character is is Kaneki Ken from Tokyo Ghoul. Apparently my organs were exchanged with one of ghouls. Ghoul is a creature that eats humans, by the way, just in case some of you don't know. Anyway, the Kaneki guy is an anti-hero. Yeah? Okay. I'm not the one that's wrong. It's the world that is wrong.
My name is Aditya Jaswal and I live in Delhi. We have seen DC, we have seen Marvel. This is the time to bring the revolution. So, I'm the only villain in this game. And I'm the only villain who has got X ratings. Bring on the Spider-Man, bring on the Batman. I'm not afraid of anything. Bring on the God, bring on the Christ. I'm here for everything. I'm here to find Jane. She was murdered, she was brutalized, but I'm going to find every single one of SOB who is there. And I'm going to kill them all. God can't do many things, so he created bastards like us.
Name Ambuj, cosplayer number 16, and my character is 11. I'm 12. It is 6:55 and bad man is after me. Papa is dead. He tried to kill me, but my friends are in danger and I can save them. Cause I'm bitchin'.
oh, 11.
Quick pause for the camera.
My cosplay number is 41. I am cosplaying Baron Allen, or you can call him the Flash. He may run out of bullets, but I don't run out of stamina.
Hey guys, myself Pratik Mant. My cosplay number is 40. And hey people, I think you know who I am. I don't need an introduction. Shit. Did I just wear my underwear backwards? What the fuck?
Hello everyone, I'm Natsu Dragoneel from Fairy Tail, and my cosplay number is 27. Thank you.
Thank you. Quick pose for the camera. Thank you. Okay.
I am cosplaying the Doctor, and my registration number is 2, and I want to start with a dialogue. Well, I just met you all, and this is batshit crazy, but there's my TARDIS. Alonzi, maybe?
My cosplay number is 1, and I'm cosplaying the Doctor, the 11th Doctor, and I wear fezzes now. I think fezzes are cool.
I am also cosplaying the 11th Doctor. My registration number is 3, and bow ties are cool, and also enjoy trends a lot.
Thank you. Quick pose for the camera.
I'm cosplay number 5, and I'm cosplaying as Player Unknown from the game Player Unknown's Battleground, which is fairly popular, but never mind. So, I'm hungry. I'm going out for a chicken dinner. What?
Hi guys, my name is Ayush Mall and I'm cosplaying Harry Potter. All the Potterheads out there. Hey guys! Just one line for you. I do not look for trouble. Trouble usually finds me.
I'm Raj Suhail. I'm playing Kaneki Ken. My contest number is 49. And I have one thing to say to you all. You all may think that being hurt is better than hurting others. That's what nice people think. And I'm not nice.
Okay. All right. Okay, man. Here you go.
It's me, Mario! It's me, Luigi, number 1!
Aye, aye, Captain! I know it's cold outside. You need rum? Just raise me hands who won the rum today! Give me more sound! Who needs a rum? I know the seas may be rough, but I'm the captain. No matter how difficult, but I will always prevail. I'm looking my friend Gibbs. Fucking hell, where the hell? I'm out of rum. Please, somebody give me the rum, man.
So, I am Mario, my name is Jatin Nagpal. I'm Sunny and I'm Luigi.
My name is Aman Kumar. My cosplay number is 23 and I'm cosplaying as Captain Jack Sparrow. Thank you. I love you, Comic Con!
Right there.
Okay, you know the drill. Your name, your character name, your registration number.
Yato, use me. I'll kill anyone for you. Hello, my character name is Nora, and I'm from Noragami. My registration number is 29. Can you flip with me? こんにちは、僕は渚しおたです。あんたを殺す。Hello, this is Piyusha Patil from Mumbai and I'm cosplaying as Nagisa from Assassination Classroom. My registration number is 30.
Hello, I am Reality Labs and I am cosplaying as Yona from Akatsuki no Yona. Swan gave me this hairpin, but now things have changed. And I don't have Hak here. He did not bother to come with me in the con, so I guess he's out. But I will save my people and my nation. Thank you. And my registration number is 11. Thank you.
Thank you. Quick pose for the camera. Okay. Wow.
I am cosplaying as the Queen of Blades, Primal Kerrigan from StarCraft 2, and it's good to be back here. So I made the whole thing in 1 month. I'm usually slow, but I was very passionate about this costume because it's a work of art, right? So I've used EVA foam to paste it on the bodysuit. Then I've used latex, probably for the first time actually. And there's PVC to make the wings. And I've used nitro tubes to make my wig.
Hello. Can you hear me? Hello.
Hello. Myself Gaurav and I am cosplaying as Kurosaki Ichigo from Bleach and my cosplay number is 51. And sorry for the sword because it was seized by the guards and it was made of wooden. Thanks you.
My registration number is 72.
You remember me? Do you remember me? Daddy 69. Daddy 69. I've got you in my sights. Hi, my name is Atharva. I'm cosplaying Soldier 76, or as they call it, Daddy 69 from Overwatch. And my cosplay registration number is 69.
Thank you. Quick pause for the camera. Thank you. On to our next match contestant.
My name is Vignesh and my registration number is 50. First thing, I'm playing as Roronoa Zoro from One Piece. You must be figuring out where my swords are. It's with the securities. And the second most important thing, my captain is an idiot. And most important thing, scars on the back are swordsman's shame. Hello, One Piece. Name is already. I'm cosplaying as a Portuguese G Ace. And my registration number is 52. And I'm Santosh. And he's an asshole.
My cosplay number is 53 and I am cosplaying Luffy from One Piece, as you know that. And I will be the part king, you know? Sorry man, I'm gonna make white big party. But I'm dead. Sorry. I want to do something.
Quick pause for the camera! All right.
Saludos, soy Buzz Lightyear. Vengo en son de paz. ¿Quién está al mando?
Hi Dolly! Hi guys, my name is Gaurav Thakur and I have been cosplaying from last 5 years. And you can see that this costume took me almost 1 year to complete. This is handmade, everything is handmade. This is Rexine by the way. And I think I don't have to give any idea like why I love Deadpool. Everyone loves Deadpool. And my registration number is 10. And yes, this is me.
Good evening, Delhi. Give me a hell yeah. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Myself, Dr. Himanshu, and my registration number is 37. Right? And I am Ash Ketchum. My dream is to be the greatest Pokemon master. And this is my friend Pikachu. Pikachu. Say hi to him. Hi Pikachu, say hi. Will you help me become the best cosplayer ever? Thank you.
My registration number is 45 and my name is Shubham. And I'm here to break bones and take souls with me. May your soul rest in peace.
All right, quick pause for the camera. Okay, here we go.
Look, there is nothing in my heart. I can't feel pain. So Kakashi, you don't have to feel guilty because you let Rin die. I forgive you. My name is Ajay. My registration number is 54. Cosplaying as Obito Uchiha from Naruto.
Hi, I'm Soumya. My registration number is 46 and I'm cosplaying as Honoka Kosaka from Anime Love Live School Idol Project. Anything about my costume? So I made this costume all by myself and it took me 2 weeks. And that's about it.
Hi. So my name is Hanya Kaushik. I'm cosplaying Thanosa from Avengers Infinity Wars Part 1. And my registration number is 71.
All right, thank you. Quick pause for the camera.
My name is Ashwini Kapoor and my cosplay number is 18. I am cosplaying as Jiraiya from Naruto.
Hey guys, I'm Tinkle. My registration number is 67 and I'm cosplaying as Naruto doing the Oiraki no Jutsu.
Hello, my name is Rishabh Swaroop. My registration number is 20 and I'm cosplaying as Orochimaru from Naruto Shippuden.
Dana and my registration number is 66.
Thank you. This is our last batch of contestants, New Delhi. Quick pose for the camera. Ladies and gentlemen, okay, now let's give away the prizes. We'll go category. We'll go by category. The first category is comics and graphic novels. Ladies and gentlemen, the winner is Vidhi Parekh as Princess Tiana. Where are you, Miss Parekh? My apologies, Princess Tiana. Winner in the comic and graphic novels category, Vidhi Parekh as Princess Tiana. In the sci-fi and fantasy category, ladies and gentlemen, your winner, Tanya Kaushik as Thanos! Here is Soumya accepting the award on Tanya's behalf. Winner in the sci-fi and fantasy category, Tanya Kaushik. In the anime and manga category, the winner is Yagna Seni Chaudhary as Yona.
Come to the dark side.
There she is, ladies and gentlemen. Congratulations, Yagna Seni Chaudhary, cosplaying Yona, winner in the anime and manga category.
I have you.
Thank you. And now, in the movies and TV series category, Gaurav Thakur as Deadpool. Winner in the movies and TV series category, Gaurav Thakur as Deadpool. And now, in the gaming category, Sana Khan as Kerrigan. There she is, Sana Khan as Kerrigan. Kerrigan. And now, the winner of the grand prize of 50,000 rupees, ladies and gentlemen, Sana Khan as Kerrigan! And this is it, ladies and gentlemen. We conclude Delhi Comic Con's day one. We'll see you tomorrow. And the day after. This is the best weekend of the year. See you tomorrow.
and we gonna let it